afternoon, guys. Welcome to Joanne's Farm. Today we're going to learn about how you can make blueberry jam. So what you're going to need for ingredients is about maybe 8-9 cups of blueberries. We're going to have about 5 cups of sugar, just regular sugar, and lemon juice, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. 3 easy ingredients. This is easy peasy, really easy to do. Okay, so let's begin. So let's pour maybe half of the blueberries into your pan that you're going to cook with, and then, well, actually maybe, about 3/4. Save that out. If you've got a mashed potato musher, then start to mush this in your pan. Takes a little bit of elbow grease. If you have a blender, that's even better. I usually use my Vitamix blender because that's really works very good. But for today, we're just going to try to mush them up a little bit. Do some manual work here. So you just mush them in. If you can see them, you're just mushing them. So I like them to be not too chunky, but they need to be mushed. I'm gonna get I'm gonna build up muscles up in my arms. Woo-hoo! I need to do something, gain some muscle. The older you get, the more muscle mass you lose. So it's okay. I don't mind. So just mush up these blueberries. Okay, I'm going to continue mushing and I'll be back. Okay, guys, we now have the stuff all mushed up. Now we're going to add, as you can see, we took time to mush it up really good. We'll add the other parts of our blueberries in. And we'll stir it around, which gives us some that are, you can see what's going on inside the pot. So now we need to add all of our sugar. Seems like a lot of sugar, but it really is not. And we'll add our other last ingredient, which is the 1/4 cup of lemon juice. Mix it all up. Looks yummy. Got to get ready for the season. You can like fresh blueberries and strawberries and pineapples and whatever have you in the winter when there's none to be found. Okay, so what we're going to do now is put this on the eye. Quite a few hands over here. Put it on the eye. Turn it on. Turn on high and then let this come to a boil. Bring it all up to a boil and then we'll turn it down. When it starts to boil, we will then be able to stir it. We'll stir it more. You gotta constantly stir. You don't want it to stick. Nobody wants burnt blueberries. Oof, that would taste terrible. So we'll just stir it as it goes along. Let it come to a boil. We'll turn it down. Probably take about 20 minutes or so to really get hot. And then we'll do a testing on the temperature. Once your blueberries reach a total of 220 degrees, you know it's ready to can. So we'll just keep stirring to keep it from sticking, and then when it reaches 220, then we will begin to can. In the meanwhile, my canning jars have all been sterilized and ready. They're hot. They're in here. Remember to put hot things in hot jars, cold things in cold jars. You do not want to put hot blueberry jam in a cold jar. You're going to crack your jar. And jars are hard to come by these days, and so are lids, so you don't want to do that. Just let it cook up, stir periodically. I have my new stirrer, that's automatic stirrer, hasn't come in yet. It is on order from Amazon, so it should be coming in shortly. And that way the pot will be sitting on the stove and it will be stirring all by itself. What a nice little gadget. So I'm looking forward to that. So once it starts bubbling, we'll be back. Hey, welcome back. So I took the jam off of the other stuff, and now we're ready to take it and put it into the jars. So we're going to do that now. We're going to try not to make a big mess because it does make a mess. All right, so we'll pour that in there. We let it get to 220 degrees. And we're putting this in here. Okay, get a 1/4 inch rim. That's great. Let's do the next one. These jars are hot. And we put hot things in hot jars. You don't put cold things in hot jars. Pour it on in here. Okay. I'm going to do another one. Yummy. I'm getting there. And it's close, but it's okay. All right, so let me grab a couple more jars. Okay, I think we have enough for maybe 2. Maybe with a little left over. We'll see what we can do. Okay, let's try these 2. Maybe might make. We'll see. If not, whatever left over, we'll just put in the refrigerator and we'll eat it. Have a breakfast in the morning. Nope, it's not enough to make another jar. Gonna give it more headspace, headroom here. Okay. Just a little bit over here to give it more. Okay. Take this off. Remember, tissue, a paper towel, white vinegar. You want to get all of the stuff off the rim of your glass. See how that's on there? Want to get it all off. The white vinegar works the best, but if you don't have white vinegar, no need to worry. You can just take and use water. But before I forget, and I am forgetting, I've got to debubble everything. So we're going to debubble this one. We'll debubble this one. Great. And we'll debubble this one. This is so easy. And it tastes so much better than store-bought. And we'll debubble this one. Throw that right there. And then let's clean off those jars again. Make sure that we get a good seal on it. Looks great. They're hot. See, a little More white vinegar. Clear that off. I'm kind of rushing, so I don't mean to be rushing, but I have my hubby needs my attention soon. So I'm trying to get done so I can tend to him. Clean this off. Whew. Okay, clean these all off. This looks great. And I believe I just got to clean this one off. Yeah. Ooh, it's hot. Hot, hot, hot. Now we've got clean on our jars. Let me get the lid tops, which we kept warm. And we have our magnet, which will help us to get our lid jars up. Just pop them on. 1, 2, 3. Get a purple one so we can have 2 and 2. Be fun. Go. 4. And then we'll put our lids on. Finger tight. Don't over twist them. Just tighten slightly with your hands. Whew. It's hot. Okay. And now we're going to put them back into the jar, into the water bath. Put them right back in there. Alyssa can keep an eye on that while I put them in. Don't they look great? Nice blueberry. Nice. Right in. Oh, this is going to be great this winter. Things that's nice about the blueberry too. Not only can you put it over ice cream if you like, but you can also put it in your muffin mix to make blueberry muffins or blueberry cake or blueberry crumb. You can use it for that. Grab one more jar so this doesn't pull around inside. Great. I gotta rattle it around a little bit, get a good grip on it so I can bring it up, set it up. Oops, watch the fingers. Here you go. Smooth that over a little bit. Okay, so I think we have it balanced here. And what we're going to do is turn it up high. We're going to bring it to a boil. And then after it boils, we will let it cook for 10 minutes. Turn it down a little bit. We'll let it cook for 10 minutes. All right, well, this pretty much concludes because I have to tend to my hubby. So I tell you what, just remember one thing. Anything that you can imagine, you can achieve. Just put your heart into it. You can do it. Have a blessed day and enjoy. If you like what you got today with this information with the blueberry jam, please press the like button or the subscribe button and hit that little bell if you want to know when our next video comes out. All right, listen, you have a blessed day and we'll see you soon. God bless you.